Smoking with the Migos, it's just me and amigos. And I'm feeling like gold, woke up like CeeLo. Yeah. John Lennon shades mobbing around like a Beatle.
Life as a millennial, and I'm glad that you guys are back, baby. And yeah, man, I really do appreciate you guys coming into the freaking video. If you guys are watching this video, you guys are the real MVPs, man, because you guys haven't gave up on the boy, and you guys haven't gave up on the journey. You haven't gave up on the road to success. I don't even know what I'm saying no more. But with that being said, man, I'm so sorry. Before you guys start roasting me in the comment section below and telling me, hey dude, you're being inconsistent, you're being a procrastinator, and all of that is true, but I also been working hard on my brand and working hard on my business and trying to expand as much as I can and make more bread, because the more bread I make, the more time I will be able to have to make YouTube videos. And now that I have a little bit of more systems in play and I have people working for me now, I have a little bit more time, so I could actually make more videos for you guys. And that's literally what I love. I love making videos. I love sharing content with you guys. I love sharing information, man. Life as a millennial is the information outlet for all young millennial entrepreneurs, man. That's literally what we're doing. That's what this brand is all about. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And also, we got a little special announcement. We're gonna be releasing our first IGTV freaking episode. Whoa. It's gonna be coming out by the end of the month. On top of that, we're gonna be traveling a lot of places, man. I'm turning 21. It's gonna be crazy, man. A lot of stuff is going down this year, man. Last 5 months that we have of our year, man, we ain't playing no games. We're pushing as hard as we can. This is the crunch time. This is the fourth quarter. We gotta go as hard as possible, and we gotta do as much as we can. We gotta finish strong, and that's what I plan to do with my channel, with all my social medias. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, don't follow me on Twitter, man, or Facebook, go follow me right now, whatever you guys prefer. I'm very active on all social media now. I'm gonna be posting as much as I can on all my social media. You're probably gonna get like 5 posts a day. You're gonna be so much freaking bangers everywhere, man. Anywhere you could find me, man. So I really do appreciate you guys watching. Let's get straight into the video and the reason why you guys are here. Alrighty guys, let's get into it, man. And today we're gonna be talking about a website that literally helped me make a lot of moolah and save me a lot of time, and I feel like all entrepreneurs should know about this. Fiverr. Fiverr is a very, very, very unique website. Honestly, I haven't came up on Fiverr literally until like a year ago. No, probably less, like 8 months ago. I started using Fiverr like 8 months ago, man. And ever since I've been on Fiverr, and before you guys think that I'm just juicing Fiverr and I'm trying to get an affiliate link and I'm trying to get your money and shit. No, I'm not sponsored by Fiverr. This is just raw information that I want you guys to know for the young entrepreneurs out there struggling with certain tasks that they don't like doing because they're like, hey, fuck yeah, I'm not that good at it. Maybe I could get someone else. You know, oh, I wish I had someone else to do that work. I wish I had someone that I knew how to do that. And now you do. Fiverr is basically a freelancer website where you guys could find any type of freelancer that knows how to do what you can't do. So let's say you can't market your product. You could find someone that can market and run Facebook ads on your product. You could find someone that could create your logo. That's primarily what I used it for. I used it to make the Life as a Millennial logo. So Fiverr helps you. If you're in the music industry, if you're a music entrepreneur, man, like if you're just trying to put out your music on SoundCloud, there's some people that throw like that draw traffic to your guys' SoundCloud, organic traffic, run Facebook ads, stuff like that, man. And honestly, there's a lot of people out there that are charging very cheap. You guys are probably thinking, dude, yeah, but they probably charge like $1,000. Yeah, I think an option inside Fiverr that literally lets you lower the budget that you guys are like trying to shop for, and how many years of experience, type of freelancer that you are looking for, any type of work that you need to be done and you can't do it, you could pay someone on Fiverr to do. Very useful tool. Of course, if you're going to be running your business, you're not going to want to outsource everything because you have a specific skill set and whatever area you're going into, or else why do they need you, right? Of course, there are some people that run like certain things like that. They just outsource all their work, but where's the fun in that? Like, I like being in the shit. I like doing my work. I like earning what I got instead of just paying someone else. If there is a little little thing that I'm not good at. Let's say you don't really know how to title your Facebook ads. You could look it up on Fiverr and you could find someone for very cheap, and they'll literally be like, okay man, I'm better than you at this, so I'll do that while you're getting this work done. So it saves you a lot of time, a lot of money. Very, very helpful, man. Literally, when I was running a couple of campaigns for certain clients, there were certain things that I was doing wrong, and I actually went to Fiverr. This is the better thing. This is what I did on Fiverr. I don't really outsource for work. I figure out the experts in the area, the people that are top rated sellers. The people that are really good are going to be top rated sellers because people want them to do their ads or whatever the case may be. So at first, when I was running ads on Facebook and stuff like that, I was like kind of confused on what I was doing wrong, because I was running the same ad and as this other person, and I was like, dude, I'm not getting the same results or whatever the case may be. So I actually found a freelancer on Fiverr, and he was actually doing Facebook advertisement. And instead of me actually just telling him, okay, run my Facebook ad campaign, I told him, you know what? Instead of using that money, you could take the money, the $500 that I'm going to tell you for running my Facebook ad campaign, but you're not going to run it. Just teach me how to do it. I'll give you $500 and teach me how to do it. That's the best way that you can learn, because and then you teach. You ever heard the saying that to fish today, feed a man for a day, and then it says, but teach a man how to fish, feed him for a lifetime. Something along those lines. That's the way I think. I think that it should be like that. I think that you should learn how to fish. Of course, there's some things that certain people do better than you. You should know a little bit about everything inside your company, and you should be a specialist about something. The main entrepreneur, the guy that's running, the CEO or the president or whatever that you want to call it, that person just delegates all the problems. He's like, okay, you know what? You're the best at this, so I'm going to put you on there. You're the best in marketing, and that's what I do. I find the people that are best in their areas, and I execute on what I'm good at, closing the deal, selling. That's my type of job. That's what I do. I find clients, I tell them what we do, customer acquisition, stuff like that, whatever the case may be. And then I go find people, or I have my team now, and I found myself my marketing team, and they do the marketing campaigns, or I run, but I know how to do it. I know how to run certain things. I know how to do certain little things that they do in their job, for I could actually be able to speak to them and be like, hey, why is this not going the way that it's supposed to be, or whatever the case may be. So it's always good to know. I feel like that Fiverr is a great learning platform, because you could pay someone that's really good at what they do, and they could teach you how to do it. And now that you know how to do it, obviously you're probably not going to get everything that you need to learn from them. You're not going to learn it right away, but if you take a video, you record it, or whatever the case may be, you go over it, it's going to pick up on you, and you're going to learn how to do it like him, and probably even better than him. I'm glad that you guys tuned into this video. I hope this video provided a shit ton of value, man. If it did, hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to be posting once a week. I'm not going to be posting every single day, man. I'm going to be trying to post once a week for I could stay consistent on this channel. Because if I do post every single day, I'll probably get exhausted, or I'll probably forget, and I won't be posting consistently. So I'm going to be posting once a week. I'm going to set a small target, and then if I can, I'll post twice a day, you know, but at least, very least, you guys are going to get one video a week. I'm not going to limit it to one video a week, but I am going to, that's the minimum. That's the minimum that I could do. So I could do more, but I'll never do less than one video a week. So you guys can see consistent content on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate you guys coming into the video. If you guys liked it, if you guys found this information very helpful, share the video with someone else that doesn't know what Fiverr is. Fiverr is really cool, man. I'm not just saying that. I'm not an affiliate. Again, I'm not getting paid for this, or whatever the case may be, or I'm not referring you to a link that is mine. It's just going to be a raw link, whatever the case may be, for Fiverr. And that's the end of it. All right, so I hope this video helped you guys. Like I said, hit the like button, hit the comment button, give me a little comment. I'm gonna be replying to all comments on this video, no matter how small it is. I'm gonna reply to you. I'm gonna show you some love. And on top of that, all my links for my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook fan page, everything's gonna be down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, hit that like button like I said, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.